Our topic this day is interpreting diagrams with outlets. Today, you will learn to identify different types of outlets, differentiate the application of outlets, draw electrical diagram with types of outlets, and observe the importance of safety in all electrical practices through electrical diagram. Let us review the past lesson, interpreting diagrams with switches. First picture is a schematic diagram. 3 bulbs ABC individually controlled by 3 SPST switch in 3 separate locations. For you to understand more the connection of this circuit, I use different colors in sketching this diagram so that you may easily remember the procedure on how to sketch or draw the 3 bulbs ABC individually controlled by 3 SPST switch in 3 separate locations. The second diagram is pictorial diagram. As you can see, S1 number 1 will control bulb A. S1 number 2 will control bulb B. S1 number 3 will control bulb C. Pictorial diagram, also called installation diagrams, that uses simple images of components. It is a type of electrical print that shows primarily the external appearance of each component in a circuit. It is more like a photograph of a wiring installation. These 3 words are indispensable in our discussion. First is riser diagram. As you can see in picture number 1, riser diagram with 2 branch circuit. First, one line diagram. Second, schematic diagram. Another example of riser diagram, single line diagram, but it has 6 branches of lighting outlets. Riser diagram is a single line diagram that shows the entire electrical circuit from the service entrance up to the smallest circuit branch. It shows the size of wire in each branch, size of the service entrance conductors, and the conduit and size of the protective device from the main circuit breaker and each branch. Circuit is a complete path around which electricity can flow. Electrical diagram is a wiring diagram, also known as circuit diagram. Is a simplified conventional graphical representation of an electrical circuit. It shows the actual wire connections being used and the different electrical materials used in the circuit. And now let's proceed to the classification and application of outlets. First is convenience outlet. A surface type or flash type both provide the same purpose, to supply electric current or power to our appliances, gadgets, and devices. Jumper usually used in duplex convenience outlet and triplex convenience outlet. So that convenience outlet letter B will be connected to source line 1 and source line 2. Power circuit is a house circuit intended for our small appliances and portable devices that require a power source. These are the convenience outlet in our home where all electrically operated devices are plugged in. Air condition unit outlet or ACU. Picture number 2 shows the ACU outlet connection, or the back of the ACU outlet. A special purpose outlet is a 3-slotted outlet intended for bigger appliance load with a 3-pronged plug. The air condition unit is a good example of this home appliance that require this kind of power outlet. Bigger appliances such as the air condition unit requires more current to operate. Number 3, ground fault circuit interrupter of GFCI. Picture number 1 shows the front and back of GFCI. Picture number 2 shows GFCI connection. GFCI are generally installed where electrical circuit may accidentally come in contact with water such as laundry area, etc. How does GFCI works? Normally, the determined amount of electric current passes from line 1 to load then back to line 2. When GFCI sends the difference in the amount of electricity flowing into the circuit to that flowing out, even in the smallest amount of current as small as 4 or 5 milliamps, the GFCI will react quickly to trip to shut off the circuit and prevent a possible electric shock. An additional convenience outlet can be installed in the circuit with the GFCI. Now we will interpret 3 bulbs controlled individually by 3 SPST switches in 3 separate locations with GFCI and convenience outlets. Branch circuit LO or lighting outlet. The procedure: hot wire bulb, hot wire switch, and return. Next is the connection of GFCI and convenience outlets. This diagram is a combination of pictorial diagram and schematic diagram. Hot wire bulb. When you say hot wire bulb, from line 1 going up to the first terminal of the receptacle of bulb A, B, and C. Hot wire switch, from line 2 going down to the first terminal of switch A, B, and C. Return remaining terminal of bulb A to remaining terminal of switch A. Do the same procedure in bulb B and bulb C. Next, the connection of outlets, GFCI and convenience outlet. When the pole of switches touch the second terminals, the bulbs light up. For you to understand more the circuit, I have here 3 pictures of the connection of the devices. First is the convenience outlet. Second is the GFCI connection. Third, connection of riser diagram. The final output: 3 bulbs controlled individually by 3 SPST switch in 3 separate locations with GFCI and convenience outlets. Today we discussed the 3 classification of outlets. CO or convenience outlet is used to supply electric power to our appliances, gadgets, and devices or small appliances. A special purpose outlet is a 3-slotted outlet intended for a bigger appliance load with a 3-pronged plug. GFCI generally installed where electric circuits may accidentally come in contact with water. The electrical diagrams are indispensable in wiring installation. Interpret the problem given. The sketch or the interpretation of the problem given. Based on the electrical problem and pictorial diagram, draw the schematic diagram of this circuit. This ends our lesson and thank you for listening. And if you can, join me in my next lesson.